I started with Dua as an expressive arts therapy founded by Father Loreto Haki, and we name it as Dua, Deliverance and Uplift for the Wonders of the Arts. This is way back in the year 2010, 2011, and 2012. And it was still an expressive arts therapy where we have sessions, we have play therapy, we have dance and movement and biodanza. It was fun because it composed of a group of people in all walks of life, and we met like once a week, I think, and then we have this lots of playful activities. We communicate, we interact, we laugh, we enjoy each and every moment. We are all together just like a family. And then we have also biodanza, where we dance and express ourselves as if nobody is watching, and we just close our eyes. And there are a lot of revelations, a lot of awakening and awareness going on. Some are experienced vomiting and they went out of the venue to throw up, and some were crying, some were laughing. It was a time of my life in 2010, 2011 where I experienced a family crisis, the greatest family crisis I had in my life in relationship with my siblings. And I needed a vessel for me to heal myself, and it was Father Loreto Haki who opened the SPFY in Archbishop Residence in Jerusalem to open a group where he can help those souls that needs healing, that needs to be heard, that needs to express themselves. And it was such a big help on the soul journey. And there's also a healing within, a healing of this inner child within. And because of those activities that we had, and with the members who's with us also for more than a year or two, we became family, friends who became family. And it was this closeness that healed each one of us, that we're able to open up our feelings, our thoughts and emotions, what's going on in our mind and mental health. It was such a big help, especially if you are dealing with depressions, you have lots of, would say, like you experience loneliness, like there's a problem within you that you could not express, and you just need someone to listen to. Maybe you need to have a dance movement, that you dance and play as if nobody's watching. It's like it never ends. It feels like just you and the moment that stands still, and it never ends. So it was a big help. I would recommend Dua with Father Loreto Haki, and he has lots of workshop nowadays, especially the laughing yoga. The laughing yoga experienced it a month ago, and it was a big help also. We have this workshop for 2 to 3 hours, and it was we just laugh and laugh and laugh, and it was such a big break for the selves, for the soul also, the soul within. So, and with this request of Miss Joy to make this video for her research and presentation in the mental health in Canada, all the best to you, good luck, and I'm so proud of what you become, and hope to see you soon again. I love you so much. Take care.